Hello, welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. So today I have for you a Poshmark unboxing. So I don't buy very much from Poshmark. I sell, and I sell pretty good if I'm consistent with adding stuff to my closet, but I don't buy that often. But I started watching a YouTuber, and his name is Josh. I will link his channel if I can, or a video down below so you can go check him out. He's great. He was talking about his Coach vintage collection, and I really just fell in love with several of the pieces, and so I kind of started looking for my own on the pre-loved market and found what I wanted on Poshmark. I didn't want to go with anything that was too expensive, because I didn't know, it's hard to know, quality when you can't see it, right? You can only see pictures. So I think I picked from a pretty trustworthy seller. So I'm hoping that the bag will be great. But this is, like I said, it's a Coach, and it is a vintage Coach. So I'm really excited to see what it is. I have opened the box. So it just came in this priority mail box. I've opened the box, but I have not actually looked in it. So let's go ahead and get started. And let's see what we have here. So she has tissue. Just kind of show you how it's wrapped there. It has a little thank you heart on it. That's really cute. And the bag is just kind of down inside. It's not wrapped. I do prefer things to be wrapped like that. When I send out items, I always wrap them. But it looks like the bag is fine, so that's good. So let's take a look. So this is, the strap is separate. Let me smell it. It smells fine. It just has maybe like a little bit of a musty smell, because it is, like I said, it is a vintage one. But let me put the strap on it so we can see exactly what it looks like. Just a second. All right, this is the, like I said, vintage, and this is the legacy line from the 90s. I think maybe they still had it in the 2000s, but this is the 9966. And I can't remember the name of it, if there's actually a name or if it's just that, but it is in a dark brown. I don't have any bags, I don't think, in this color, so I went with it over black. It does have gold hardware, as you can see there, and the strap is adjustable, so it has 4 holes that you can adjust, obviously, on both sides. There is no hang tag, which is fine. A lot of times I will take the hang tag off a bag and not even use it. But okay, so the front of the bag is actually this side, I think. Let me make sure. I was wrong. The front of the bag is this, I believe, with the pocket here. I really like having a pocket in the front. If you've watched any of my other handbag videos, I'm sure that I've said it, because I like having that pocket for my phone. But on the inside, I'll just show you there. Hopefully you can see, it's like it's the raw leather, I guess is what it's called. So that's pretty cool. And on the inside, again, it's not the easiest to see because it's a dark bag, but there is a zip. Okay, so I'll just open it like that. There's a zip pocket here. And then the Coach Creed is right here. I'll show you that in just a second if I can get it out. There's a slip pocket there, and I think a smaller slip pocket here. That's almost like a little, almost small enough to either be a lipstick holder or a pen holder or something. I mean, you're not going to get much more in there than a pen, maybe two, so it's pretty small. And then the other side is just the raw leather. So let me take out the Creed and show you. So there's the Creed, and I tried researching the Creed and in vintage collections and kind of what it looks like and what the numbers mean. I know when it comes to Louis Vuitton, but I've never really done one for a Coach. So what it means is, well, first of all, it has this Coach bag this is a Coach bag. It was handcrafted in the United States. So this one was done in the US. I think a certain year, I can't remember what it was the late 90s maybe, Coach started making their bags in other countries as well. US, but also other countries. This one is made in the US, and it's number B7D9966. So what that means, if I can remember correctly, the B is the month of the year, I think, so February, I believe. The 7 means it's 1997, and then the D means it was made in the US, so D is for the US. And then the 9966 is the style of the bag, and so that's how you know when it's from at least from the 90s. So actually this leather, you know, being, how old is this? 23 years old. 23-year-old bag. It looks really good. I don't see any obvious dings. There's maybe just like a little hairline scratch right there. The strap looks good. The bottom, well, it's kind of, you can kind of see like maybe like striations there, and I don't know if that's actually from you know, the bag being scratched or the way it was stored, or if it's just the way the leather is. I don't know, but it's fine with me. There is a little bitty scratch right there that I did see in the picture, and it's very small, minute. I'm not worried about that. One thing, I think that Josh maybe pointed this out in one of his videos, Coach bags from then do tend to kind of fall in on themselves like that if they're not stuffed. And like he said, he stuffed all of his vintage collection is amazing, so you should go check it out. It does have feet. The feet look good, so 4 feet there on the bottom, and like I said, the gold hardware is gold, brass maybe, I'm not sure. It's pretty heavy. You can tell it's pretty weighty, and it looks pretty good. I mean, there's nothing horribly wrong with it, I don't think, that I can see, so that's good. And I really like that the strap is adjustable, so you have quite a bit of room here, which I really appreciate, because I like to be able to carry. If you've watched any of my other videos, my handbag videos, you know that I like to have multiple ways to carry a bag. Now, you can only carry it one way with this one, but it is just an easy shoulder bag. I'm not sure if it would fit crossbody. I might try to do that if I can insert some mod shots for you. I don't feel like it would. It might be a tight squeeze, but it's perfect, like right here as just a shoulder bag, so I'm really excited for that. So yeah, I think that is it. That's all I wanted to show you. I'm really happy to get this bag and to start using it. Yeah, so hopefully I'll be able to put in some mod shots here in just a second. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you'll subscribe if you liked it, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.